Well, good day, folks. And I know it's been a while. Haven't been up to too much. Too busy working. That's what sucks about it, eh? All your projects you want to do, and you gotta worry about work. But anyhow, it's about the 25th of October, and it's a beautiful day here. Almost Halloween. Another week and it'll be Halloween, and Halloween falls on a Friday. Should be pretty cool. But here's something I haven't done and everybody else has been doing. So here, this will be my first cold start. Okay. See how it goes. Just let me get you set up here. Okay. Oh, sorry about that, folks. I accidentally turned the camera off. But here, I'll get you set up. One sec. I know, I should edit all this stuff out, but I don't bother. Raw footage. Okay, here we go. rattling you hear is just coming from this banging on the wood. Yeah, whoops. Yeah, when I hooked up my muffler system, when I had all the other pipes in, and the other bits I showed you, well, I didn't have all the rest of it secured. So, of course, the pipe, when I secured all the pipe with clamps and everything like that to the mufflers, the exhaust pipes coming out the end didn't match up. So I had to redo one. What a pain in the butt that was. Cutting, welding. Oh. But anyhow, it's done now. So all I gotta do now is just take that one pipe that you saw that wasn't painted, take it off and paint it, and then heat it up with a torch stuck in down to it, and then the paint will cure properly. Okay, well, like I said, that's just my cold start. The sun was out, now it's starting to come overcast here, but it's still a beautiful day here on the West Coast. So I hope everybody's doing good. Like I keep saying, haven't heard from In Debt for Kids for a while. Everybody tells me, you know, the last person I heard from him, heard about him, was saying that he was good and everything like that, and too busy with family, but that's cool. So whenever you get another video up, Steve, I'll be watching it, okay? Well, everybody take care. Hope your day is going as good as mine, and works is work. Okay, everybody? Well, peace out, and build on. Talk to you later, folks. Bye. Oh, hey, just me again. Anyhow, when I was telling you about that one muffler pipe, well, here, I'll describe it to you. I'll show it to you, okay? One sec. See, here it is, okay? When they bumped this up, it got bumped up on a bit of an angle, as you can see, right there. So I had to cut it off here, put this piece onto the muffler, then line up the pipe after it. And I thought that'd be I thought that would fix it, but then I had to cut a slot here, put it on, clamp it down so it would go tight, weld up that slot, clean up in here all the little burrs and everything that were in there, sand it with some emery cloth to get it all smooth. Now it all slides on. But what a bitch to do this was, the last piece. All because I didn't bother bolting up the mufflers and everything all tight before I started rearranging the tailpipes. But yeah, so now all I'm going to do now is just paint it, then stick a torch inside the hole, inside the pipe, and let it heat up and cure the paint. So yeah, so I just thought I'd show you it instead of trying to explain it. But yeah, this was a real bitch one to do. Okay, talk to you later, folks. Have a good one. Bye. This is my way of curing paint, high heat paint. Just stick a few propane torch down it, up in it, and let it rot. Okay, hope you can hear what I'm saying. I'll put subtitles after. Okay, bye.